Buonasera, this is Judy and Liz.
Hello.
And we are in Italy. I am not in Alexandria, Virginia. So we are about an hour and a half north of Rome. And we are getting ready for a week of art retreat in Italy. And we are so excited about the possibilities. We are going to start planning next year's trip. So if you'd like to be part of that, then please let us know on our website. So we are in the town, and Liz just showed you a little bit of the courtyard, and there's a castle, and we're going to show you our studio. So we have been setting up, getting ready for a class, and we want to show you what we got going on. So, of course, there's lots of gates and lots of great doors, lots of rust, which of course we will be having lots of pictures of doors and rust. So this room is huge, it's wonderful. This is all our studio. It will be kind of we're right off the square, so any of our students can come and go. And we do a combination of art and tours. And I think that is such a great combination. You can create and you can go visit some really very unique places in Italy and be inspired. Come back, work a little bit more, and go and see some great places. So we have a wonderful itinerary. There's a couple places that we have to go that I have seen before that I know everybody will love. So we have supplies. We're working more fabric and mixed media, so we have lots of hand-dyed threads and fabrics. Liz will show you a little bit about the sample, but all of these things have been brought over. We're using tentaculum. It's not tentaculum anymore, it's painter's thread. It took me years to get tentaculum right. It's painter's threads. So they're hand-dyed in Germany. It's a little bit, we've got, we did try. So Gwen, our buddy Gwen LaFleur, has made these art crayons, and they are the absolute perfect texture, consistency to do rubbings. So the piece that Liz just showed you of the Madonna, at the base of it are a couple of plaques. And these leaves turned out really great with these wonderful pigment crayons. And then here, I don't know what it says, but we got most of it. It looks pretty good. And then we have our wonderful base for our book, some extra special gifts that Liz made. It's a needle book. That's wonderful. We'll do lots of paint, which you know is my thing. I really love the paint. We have some wood blocks, some stencils, a little bit of paper, some really cool thermofax screens. So we'll work on that. And as you can see, this is jelly plates and lots of rubbing plates. So we are fully stocked for a great studio week. And because it's just Liz and I, and Kyle is back in Alexandria, I don't have a cameraman, so we're going to switch now. So I showed you a little bit of this, and then Liz is going to show you what we've been doing for the last couple of days. Okay, here we go. All right.
Hi, everybody. I'm so excited to be here. We're going to take lots of pictures and show you what we're doing all week, because this place it's not tourist Italy. It's just so magical. This is a medieval town, and just walking through, and you just feel the history and the ambiance of the area. So our theme is a sense of place. So we're going to be trying to capture the mood of this place, not just the imagery, but the emotions of being in this place. That's kind of where we're going with this project. So one of the first things we did was, it was actually kind of creepy. I didn't take any video of it, but we went into this crawl space cellar. It was creepy. It was
Yeah.
totally dark. to scrounge some rusty things. So we got some rusty stuff. There's a selection of our rusty stuff that we were able to get.
I love the bucket.
Pretty awesome. So, and then one of our students brought us some rusty stuff. So we've got lots to choose from. And we, of course, started already. And this has been cooking overnight. We have a piece of blue. This one is a little hard to see because of the dark color. But look at our fabric here. Look at these cool things. We have no clue what
No
they
clue.
are.
I was worried that they were a mousetrap when I got them. Oh my gosh, look!
Look.
That's so cool! We obviously hadn't uncovered this until
we just
now.
opened it. So
Oh my
look at
goodness,
those
that
beautiful
turned out
lines.
great.
I think the hardest part about rusting will be that I just want to cover all the bars. Can you see the bars out here?
I know. They keep telling us.
Everything in fabric.
They won't let us.
Yeah, so let me show you a little bit of the samples.
Okay, I have to answer Chris's question. Yes, Chris, I will make the announcement at the end. Liz and I will switch back, and I will let everybody know about our exciting news.
Okay, so these are just some of the sample pages that I started on so that everybody would have samples. So this is some
You
weaving
smell
and
like
hand-stitching.
vinegar now.
Hands are rusty of vinegar. So our general overall theme is olive branches and the olive trees. We are going to visit an olive
Press.
press.
Yeah, it's a company that actually presses olives and bottles them for olive oil around the region.
Do they have trees?
Yes, they
Okay, so
do.
we'll have some actual branches to choose to inspire us. And this is an image transfer using water-soluble paper. This is a really fun technique that I've been practicing, playing around with the last couple of years, being able to do watercolor or ink watercolor painting on fabric, and then stitching into it. So this is really fun.
Liz assures me this is easy.
It's easy.
Promises.
So the idea is that the students will be able to take their photos of the places we go in the afternoons, and then we can print them, and then we will be able to. It's like a magical transfer process, so that then we can paint them and stitch on.
And we can do that with this wash away, right?
Right.
Yeah.
We can do that with that too.
Okay.
Because this would be a little harder to paint.
Yeah.
And then we're, of course, going to be doing some gelatin plate printing and some learning how to transfer some imagery from photos that we take. So this was at the...
Oh, they lost us?
Well, it says we're on.
Says we have Wi-Fi, and it says we're on. I lost the audio. Okay, we're on.
Well, we'll just keep talking.
We'll keep talking, and you guys can watch the replay, I guess. Okay.
Oh.
Well, yes, Linda, we do have Wi-Fi, but we are in Italy, so
And we're in a medieval town.
yeah, and
so-
we're in cement walls. So bear with us, and we're going to keep going. Okay, Liz, you were talking about
So-
the monoplate
Right.
printing.
So this is collage. We're going to do a lot of collage pages using the mono prints that we make using fauna, I guess, from the local area. Going to go cutting people's bushes in the night. So gelatin plate mono printing and then working collages. So we'll be able to do a couple pages and then adding some elements that we find along the way. This is a big giant stone urn that was from the
Monster
Garden.
Yes,
Yeah.
which we're going to.
Yeah, so that's kind of what we'll be doing. Lots of experimenting, and really our focus is trying to understand the feel of the place that we are. A lot of times we go and we see things, and this is just more immersion into a space, a place, a time in history, and reinterpreting that in fabric and stitch.
Wow, you say so many words.
I'm so excited.
This is so fun. Okay, all right, so now we have to switch, but they're saying we should cut it. Maybe if we try to go outside. Let's see, we go outside. Maybe we have better sound out here.
Better Wi-Fi.
Better Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi's in my pocket. Okay, all right, so now I have to give Liz. All right.
There we go.
So we really didn't have a lot to show you, but we did have some. We wanted you to at least see, and we'll be taking pictures and posting things. But I did want to, congratulate my staff who do a fabulous job interpreting how I want my business run. My customers who bring so much to us at Artistic Artifacts. I just want to thank you. We have come in first place with the JAFTEX store tour, and we are just so grateful that you guys supported us, shared it, made comments, and you guys make Artistic Artifacts the best place to be, and the best place to have, and the best place to communities, and I really want to thank you for that. Because it does take villages, it does take people, and the support that you give us is just fantastic. So thank you for giving us that award, because you guys gave it to us. We thank JAFTEX for initiating it and bringing quilting and quilters a little bit more into the live arena and the social media and the interaction. We're going to continue all those things that we learned pre-pandemic and during the pandemic, and we're going to work on that. That's why we were trying to do this Facebook Live from Italy. It's really 3:30. We're 6 hours ahead of you. I think we've made it through with getting the hang of the coffee, so I have not had too much today, I can say that. And we're going for gelato after we finish our video. So, but I really did want to tell you that we like it, we loved it, we were very, very proud to be able to win that award with JAFTEX. We have strived, if that's the right word, I don't know, we struggled with a lot of changes this year. We have a new email system. If you're not getting our emails, please let us know. Please try and sign up again. If you have any issues, we have a customer contact form that's getting lots of great use. We are in the midst of doing a new phone system that was installed 2 days before I left for Italy, so I'm really sorry. Please be patient. I'm here for 2 weeks. And we gave our website a facelift. So lots and lots of things are going on and moving forward with Artistic Artifacts. And you as our customers make it possible, and we appreciate your patience very much. So did you see any questions?
No more questions, but make sure telling them about that we're already planning next year.
Yes, we are already planning our tour for next year. And on our website, you actually can see Travel with Judy, and they will see, hey, hello. There's a way of sending us an email so that you can just send us an email, say you want to be on the travel list. What that does is I'm traveling to India in October. That is full, and Italy next September. So we'll start planning that and taking reservations. We try to keep it small. We have 15 students.
Apartments.
What?
Apartments.
Oh, yes, we're all in apartments. So individual housing. You are really embedded in the town. So that's one of the things that makes us very different. So if you're interested in doing some tours with us, please let us know via email to Artistic Artifacts, sales@artisticartifacts.com, and we'll add you to that email list.
No more questions. Everybody's just super excited.
Yeah, it's really pretty cool. It's awesome. So we would love to have you join us. Thank you so much for joining in and visiting, and we'll hopefully do some more videos and have some things posted. And who knows, we might sneak a live in there. We'll see. All right. Thank you. Join us on another day. Have a great one.
Ciao.
Ciao.